Okay, I'm here with Teresa again. We're doing the second session, which is the sum function. We're going to do two things. We're going to show how to do the sum function, which is adding up a whole lot of numbers, but also we're going to do the thing which we can't remember the name of. What we call it? I can't remember. the
something link, I think.
Well, you know, where you put a number and it repeats the number over and over. It adds one to the number or repeats whatever you want there. Okay. Without anything to do with that, I have to share the screen, so we'll do that. Okay, share the screen. Okay. All right, and we'll go to a spreadsheet. All right. Now we already did this already, but we're going to show the first thing we're going to do. Another thing we're going to do is show how to whiteboard that out. How would you whiteboard that out, Teresa?
Highlight it.
Okay, will you highlight it? Show us how you highlight it. Well, Teresa's having trouble with this mouse, and it's not her fault. It's the mouse's fault because it's a crook mouse. Now lift it up, come over there. Now move over. Down over that whole column. Get rid of all that.
No.
You're going down, but it seems to be going up for some reason. Right?
Yeah, I'm going down.
Yeah.
Why would it go up? Well, I suppose maybe I have to go up.
Don't know.
No.
And all sorts of crazy things. All right, I'll just make that bigger. Oops. Okay. We'll start there. Try it there. Click, hold left mouse button down, drag to the right, and now keep going down. I'm
going down.
Okay. You're going down, it's going up. We've got a crook mouse.
Not highlighting.
All right, go back again and click on that one there. That's all right. Let's go down. Now to the right. You're letting the mouse go. That's what the problem is. Okay. Click back on that 1, 2, 4. It seems to be going opposite, doesn't it? Well, even I'm having trouble.
No, the mouse is not functioning.
And we'll press the delete key. It's all gone. We'll get rid of that. We'll change the mouse. We'll get a different mouse in a minute, but I have to do this at the moment. So, okay. All right. So we're going to position it at that cell, and we're going to enter 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right. So enter 1, 2, 3. And we want some numbers to add to, but rather than entering 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, etc., how else can we do it? What do we do?
We can
No, you've got to click on the 1, 2, 3 first. Okay, now you point at that little bit there, hold the left mouse button down, drag down to about row 20. Keep going. Now keep going down to row 20. Let it go. Keep going down.
Just point.
Okay. I'll do the pointing for you. I'll just undo that. Okay. Sorry, we've got a crook mouse. Okay, let it go. It puts all the numbers there. Okay. But we also discovered the other thing is it happens also with other things that you put in. So if you were to type in January there, Jan. Okay, press enter. And I'll do this for you because we're having trouble with the mouse. And I drag that across. I can see the mouse is sticky. I don't know why. It repeats it. Because it knows that February comes after January, March comes after that, etc. And the same thing applies with dates, and the same applies with everything. But anyway, that's not what we wanted to do. We actually want to sum up those figures. So how do we sum up the figures? What have we got to do before we sum up the figures?
We have to select where we want the total to go.
Okay, so we can type in a total. I'll click the mouse for you because we're having trouble there. I don't know why. We'll put it there. Put the word total, for example. Okay, and we want the answer to obviously go to the right of total, which is if you use the arrow key. So which thing do you click on to get that total? You could put, how else could you do it? The slow way.
You could 1, 2, 3 add equal 1, 2 equal C4, C5, C6,
yeah,
C7.
You can do that. Okay, or
you could probably put C4 to C22.
No, you can't. Not equals. You can't say equals C4 plus to C22. It doesn't work. You can only add one cell at a time. So that's where we use the sum function, and the sum function's up there. Okay, right. So if you click on that, what's actually doing? What is it written in the cell?
Sum C4.
No, what's before the sum?
Equals.
Equals. They all start with equals. Okay.
So it puts the equals in for you.
Okay.
And then enter, and I get my total.
And there we are. There's the total.
Oh, great.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. That's all we'll do for the moment. Just by the way, when we did that, when we looked at that cell, I'll just point out, it says equals sum, open bracket, C4, colon, C23. C4 to C23 is what's called a range. You could actually type that in. You could type equals sum, open bracket, C4, colon, C23.
But it's a lot easier to do it.
It's easy just to click on it because it knew where it was, and that was it. Okay. All right, so we'll just save that. We'll stop the sharing. Okay, go back to here. Okay, back to us. All right, stop the